Hello, strangers. Welcome to Stranger Story. So, early in the morning, I was just doing my makeup and I thought I don't know how to do makeup properly. So, I thought, why not? Let's go to a professional and let's ask a professional that how to do the makeup properly. Come with me. Hello, Malika. How are you?
I am good, Palak. Good to see you.
Same here. Same. Welcome to Stranger Story, Malika.
Thank you, Palak. Thanks for having me on Stranger Story.
She's an expert in makeup. She has already trained a lot of people. She has worked with a lot many celebrities across India, and today she is with us. And let us just ask her about makeup and few do's and don'ts of makeup. So Malika, are you ready?
Yes, definitely.
थैंक यू सो पहले तो प्लीज़ टेल अस कि कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें जो कि गर्ल्स जो मेकअप करती हैं उनको ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए.
Okay. So, we'll start with कि never ever sleep with your makeup. बिकॉज बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि मतलब मैंने देखा है, हम लोग बहुत सारे मॉडल्स के साथ भी काम करते हैं. दे आर ऑलवेज 24/7 दे आर इनटू मेकअप. देन एवरी टाइम देर इज़ अ कंप्लेंट कि हमें ओपन पोर्स हो रहे हैं या स्किन में किसी तरह के कुछ पैचेस या इस तरह की प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. दैट ऑलवेज कम्स व्हेन वी आर सो लॉन्ग विद द मेकअप्स एंड वी आर नॉट क्लीनिंग इट. सो नेवर एवर स्लीप विद योर मेकअप. सेकेंड थिंग इज नेवर ओवरडू. बिकॉज बहुत बार ऐसा होता है जब हम नया नया मेकअप करने लगते हैं तो हमें बहुत शौक होता है, हमें लगता है हमारे पास जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स हैं ना हम सारे यूज़ कर लें, और उसके चक्कर में जब हम बाहर जाते हैं तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है. सो ऑलवेज कीप इट सिंपल. मेकअप का सिंपल सा एक की है कि लेस इज़ मोर. आप जितना कम रखोगे उतना ही वो अच्छा नज़र आएगा.
You have already done it. You are looking very pretty as always.
Thank you so much. Yes, because this is my daily kind of makeup and normally भी अगर हम बात करते हैं so we are not talking about the party makeup or a bridal kind of look because रोज तो हमको वो नहीं कैरी करना है ना. So this is something which we are doing for our daily basis. So कभी भी overdo नहीं करना है. Always keep it simple. Number 3 is never use dirty brushes. स्पेशली आजकल कोविड के टाइम में भी, अदरवाइज भी, बिकॉज व्हेन हमें लगता है कि हम लोग अपने लिए यूज़ कर रहे हैं, वी आर नॉट प्रोफेशनल, है ना, वी आर डूइंग आवर ओन मेकअप, बट स्टिल if we are doing makeup and then we are keeping it like this, then it attracts dust, dirt, so many environmental residues, and next time again we are using it onto our skin, so वो हमारी skin में बहुत सारी problems create कर सकता है. तो dirty brushes no.
So do you need more tips? Yeah, of course.
So 2 more. एक बहुत ही बेसिक सी चीज़ है, never miss your eyebrows. आई बिलीव आईब्रोज इज़ द मेन फीचर ऑफ आवर फेस. ठीक है, नॉर्मली मैंने बहुत सारे प्रोफेशनल्स में भी देखा है, जब हम पिक्चर्स देखते हैं या जब हम देखते हैं लाइव सामने, तो आईब्रोज बहुत बार मिस्ड आउट होती हैं. बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि नहीं आईब्रोज, लाइक हमने फटाफट बेस किया, आई मेकअप किया, लिपस्टिक किया एंड देन वी फॉरगेट आईब्रोज. नेवर फॉरगेट योर आईब्रोज. ठीक है. एंड एक सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट जो टिप मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी, आई थिंक बहुत कम लोग उसको आई थिंक समझ पाते होंगे. नेवर पंप योर मस्कारा. अभी आई एम नॉट गेटिंग अ मस्कारा इन माई हैंड. लाइक यूजली व्हाट वी डू, हम लोग मस्कारा लेते हैं, उसको ओपन करते हैं एंड देन वी डू इट लाइक दिस. वी पंप इट, है ना, जस्ट टू गेट मोर अमाउंट ऑफ मस्कारा इन आर वैंड, है ना. बट वॉट हैपन्स व्हेन वी पंप इट, इट गेट्स एयर इन टू इट एंड दैट कॉजेज ड्राई. लाइक मस्कारा उससे ड्राई हो जाता है और बहुत जल्दी ख़राब हो जाता है और उसमें बैक्टीरिया भी चला जाता है. सो ऑलवेज टेक योर मस्कारा, ओपन इट, देन मेक इट लाइक दिस. उसको इस तरह से राउंड आप अपने हैंड की मूवमेंट करो एंड देन टेक इट एंड देन अप्लाई इट. नेवर पंप इट.
That's wonderful. I think this will help us a lot. So thank you so much for telling us the things which we should not do. Now let's ask her about the things that we should actually do. So any tips for doing things?
Definitely. One most important thing that you should know your skin. Because most of the time what happens, and these days makeup is too much in, everybody is into makeup, rather it is like background is engineering or whatever, like we are into so much of makeups and then we don't understand it. So basic knowledge is very very important. So I think everybody knows that which kind of skin you have. Like if I ask you like which kind of skin you have,
think I have oily as well as this dry skin, so it's a mixture.
Like you have a combination skin, right? So one should be knowing, like I have a extremely dry skin, so if I use a base which is meant for oily skin, that won't work on my skin, because oily skin का जो product होगा उसका काम है oil को extract करना हमारी skin से. If I apply a product which is already meant for oily skin, तो वो मेरी skin को और ज़्यादा dry कर देगा. So always know that either you are into dry skin or oily skin or in the combination skin, then you need to mix and match the products, right? Yes, that is why we need you. Yeah, then it's our role there. So that's a little tricky. So one thing, if you know your skin, then you will never go wrong with the makeup. Might be you don't go best, but you never go wrong. And the second thing you can say, like always prepare your skin before the makeup. Like, because I always say, like, makeup can't create magic. Like, makeup is a magic, but everything can't be done only with the makeup, right? If the skin is prepared, then makeup can perform better, right? Like, because if we talk about the preparation of skin, we all know the term CTM these days, है ना? Cleansing, toning, moisturizing is the key of healthy skin. So always before the makeup, CTM is must. And then if you are going for some particular occasion, or you want to look literally flawless and a natural looking kind of makeup, you should always go for, like, if you do a face waxing, you should go for a face wax. If you do go for the threadings, you should do that. Otherwise you can opt for the cleansings. That way our skin gets moisturized, and then makeup looks subtle.
Okay, before we move on to the next tip, I would like the viewers to guess her age and comment below. Let me see. Let us see what people say. Okay. Now let's come to the third tip.
Third tip is always use primer, face primers. मैंने देखा, because I kept on teaching into makeups and hair and into academies also, like where students also, like who are in the process of learning, they always used to skip primer, because they are always into so much hurry of seeing what they are going to perform, है ना? सो होता क्या है कि जब हम लोग मेकअप स्टार्ट करते हैं ना, तो हमको लगता है कि आई मेकअप ऐसा होना चाहिए, हमारा बेस ऐसा दिखना चाहिए, बट देन वी फॉरगेट कि वो बेस ऐसा कैसे दिखेगा if we miss the primer. So using primer is very very important. Primer covers our open pores, which makes our skin looking very gentle and smooth, and it increases the longevity of our base. So if you want a good makeup, always use a good primer, again according to your skin type. Primer is also it's not just one primer there. Like, you should always use, like, it starts from the beginning. Like, if you are using a primer according to your skin, then it is preparing your skin according to your skin type. Then use the base according to your skin type, and then see how it turns up.
Okay. So that's one.
Then always get ready into a good light, because what happens when we are not into good light, use a good light if you can, or go into the natural lights. Because if we are not getting ready into lights, and when we reach into the lights, sometime like कुछ goof up हो जाता है वहाँ पर, है ना? So always be in a good light so that you know what you are doing. कोई शॉक नहीं लगे बाद में आपको.
That has happened with me when I do my own makeup.
Okay. हाँ, बिकॉज ऑलवेज आपने देखा होगा ना, लाइक हम लोग, लाइक ये सब अभी से बहुत ज़्यादा इन हुआ है. जब हम लोग छोटे भी थे, हम लोग देखते थे हमेशा ड्रेसिंग एरियाज में अच्छे से लाइट्स होते थे, या एक ड्रेसिंग, मम्मी की ड्रेसिंग टेबल पे भी ऊपर एक बल्ब होता था, है ना? दैट टाइम वी नेवर न्यू, लाइक आई नेवर न्यू कि इसका क्या रोल है. बट नाउ आई नो दैट ठीक है वो वहाँ पे है, बट उसका ऑन होना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो सो दैट वी नो कि हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, है ना? सो ऑलवेज बी इन अ गुड लाइट. देन पोस्ट स्किन केयर इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज ठीक है वी आर लुकिंग गुड इन टू मेकअप, बट डेफिनेटली वी वॉन्ट टू लुक गुड अगेन next time as well. So CTM before doing the makeup, CTM after removing the makeup. Because what happens, makeup at times, because there are so many substances, mixture of chemicals and everything, what happens at times, it starts making our skin a little dry, or kind of like it makes a little more sensitive if we are doing it like more often, right? So we should always keep our skin clean after makeup. Again, a very amazing tip: after makeup always do double cleansing. Single cleansing will never work, because when we do makeup we use blenders, beauty blenders. I think everybody is using beauty blenders these days, है ना? So what we do, we take the beauty blender and we push the product into our skin. We don't rub it, we just dab it, है ना? We are pushing the product into our skin. So single cleansing just removes it from the upper layer of our skin. When we do a double cleansing, जो भी मेकअप हमारा थोड़ा सा पोर्स के अंदर तक एब्जॉर्ब हुआ होता है वो उसको भी रिमूव करता है. देन टोन इट डाउन डेफिनेटली, मतलब दैट इज द मस्ट थिंग टू टोन इट डाउन, बिकॉज टोनर अगेन वर्क्स to minimize our skin pores.
Okay, so after that is also important.
That is very, very important. Doing toning is very, very important, because I have seen so many people asking the treatment for open pores, and honestly there is no such treatment which can cover 100% open pores. It's like you go for the settings and you will be getting the results, but the moment you leave it, or you are not like continuing with the skin care at home, then open pores again they occur, right? So toner is I think what you say, like toner se acha there is nothing, there is no product which can cover the open pores. If you want, then always twice a day toning. And now one bonus tip for you all. I'm sure you are gonna love that tip, because like I think you must have noticed that when we do makeup it seems very beautiful, flawless, glowy, है ना? But after reaching the venue or after some time, it happens with many people that it gets patchy.
Yeah.
है ना? You start seeing again the discoloration and the things. Always give time to settle your base.
Okay.
Yeah, because technically it takes around 20-25 minutes or half an hour to settle down the base, and then we get to know that like as you said, your skin is combination. So oily part of your skin will take more time to absorb the base in comparison to the dry skin. ठीक है? You just put on the makeup and you went. Dry skin वाला जो base है, like let's suppose this area is dry, right? So this area will absorb the base immediately, है ना? And this has not absorbed it yet. So this means you had to do this again.
Okay.
But you didn't give time and you didn't notice this thing, and you went, and then again after some time you are looking yourself again, I'm patchy.
Okay.
Right? So always give time. Like whenever you start with the makeup, do your base. After that you do your hair, eyes, and till the time the base will set up, and then just check, just observe. If it is getting patchy from any area, then do it again. Just give a simple touch up on that area only, not on all over the face.
That's wonderful. So I think we have got enough of the tips, and for more tips she's always available. She's always there to guide you guys. I am currently sitting in her studio, which is Trans Lounge. It is in Zirakpur, and you can anytime you can visit her, you can contact her, and you can know more things about her. So if you have any doubt or anything, you can comment below, or you can directly reach out to me or her. So thank you so much, Malika, for sharing these wonderful tips and ideas. Our viewers are going to love it, and they are going to love this video. And thank you for coming on Stranger Story.
Thank you so much, Palak. I seriously loved talking to you.
Same here, it's always the same. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Say bye.
Yeah. 1 minute. I will say that point. Stranger stories, na?
Story. So one story at a time.
I think
अच्छा खत्म हो गई. So मैं काट दूंगी वो वाला. ओके. स्टैंड अलोन ओके. अभी है. ओके. ये बाद में